Hi there, welcome to the MapMaker tutorial on geocoding. Today I'm going to show you how to geocode, reverse geocode addresses, human readable addresses into latitude and longitude coordinates so that you can place those locations on the map. So the first step here is going to be to launch the geocoder, and you can do that very simply by clicking on Geocoder in the top menu bar. You'll see here I've already created one geocoding task, and your geocoding tasks will also be here in this list on the left. To create a new task, you simply come over here on the right hand side, and the first step is to give your task a name. This makes it easier when you have multiple tasks and you can find your data and so on. So I'm just going to create a task called test 2. And for the addresses, I am going to use the same three that are given here in the example, which is a street address in New York City, the city of San Diego, and the country of France. So these are, three different levels of geocoding. Click Start Geocoding to initiate the process. At this point, the system will tell you the number of credits that are remaining in your account and the number of credits needed for this geocode process. If you wish to cancel, you can click Cancel, but to proceed, you click Proceed with Import. And you'll receive a notice telling you that the geocoding has started. And you'll see at the top of the list on the left, you will now have the geocoding task that was just created. At this point in time, the task is on the server waiting to be processed. The processes start every 1 minute or so, and the system is capable of geocoding about 10 to 20 geocodes per second. So after a couple of minutes, depending on how many locations are in your task, you can exit the geocoder and continue working on the map if you want. But once the task is completed, you will see this notification pop up telling you that your results are now available. So you can click on the geocoder to get to your results. It launches the geocoder, and as you can see in the left-hand side, task 2 is marked as done. So you click that. And here you will see latitude, longitude, and for each of the addresses that were put into the task. And it also shows you the accuracy. This is Google's indication of the accuracy level for that address. So in this case, rooftop indicates that this is, a valid street address. In the case of San Diego, obviously, we didn't give it an exact address. So it's just, the approximation here is going to be, the city center, the geographic center of that. Now, you can export this data if you want to use it elsewhere. Simply click on the Download CSV button and open your task. And here you have the data, which you can use however you so choose. So, hope this was helpful. Please let us know your feedback.